Joshua Irungu has urged residents to sparingly use water, noting that rivers in the region like Wasonyiro are slowly drying up. Daniel Kenyanya now reports.
Residents living along the banks of the Wasonyiro River have been cautioned against misusing water, especially in irrigating their crop. Addressing residents, Laikipia Governor Joshua Irungu noted that the rivers were rapidly drying up.
Kwamba sisi maji inafugua kule inalima kwanza. Inafaa kujulikana ya kwanza, the first priority even in the Water Act 2016, it is water for drinking. Kwa hiyo maji yashiriwe kwanza, watu wapate maji ya ng'ombe na maji ya kunywa kabla tufikirie mambo ya kulima.
The governor also urged the Water Resource Authority to intervene and make sure the rivers are flowing.
Hapa watu wa Water Resource Authority na watu wa LUA ni lazima nyinyi mtusaidie. Ni lazima tusaidiane kwa ukweli, kwa sababu kuna wakati ile maji ni yetu sisi zote.
James Sierra, who is an analyst from Twaweza organization, said that the research that was conducted by Twaweza shows 78% of people in Laikipia get clean water compared to the previous survey, which was done by the government, catered 69%.
Big proportion ambao wanapata maji kwa njia nyingine ambayo ni safi. Maybe they have access to borehole, and that stands at 23%. So when we combine the two as in clean sources of water, we found that Laikipia has around 78% of the household ambazo zinapata maji mazuri ambayo ni masafi ya kuweza kunywa, compared to the national statistics that stands at 69%.
Madenge Nderitu, an officer of Nanyuki Water and Sanitation Company, stated that the water is a resource used by everyone and called on the government to intervene.
Government comes in and does those cross-county projects because there is a national resource and the national government can stand in if there is any conflict.
Daniel Omayo, Look Up TV.
Residents of Bangladesh